Hi traders, in today's video we will take a look at the daily chart to see if we can get a better perspective about what lies ahead. We will analyze the recent swing high at 24,200 and measure its risks so that you can take action either if you are on long position from the recent double bottom or if you are a long-term holder in the red aiming to break even at slightly higher highs, or if you are a more aggressive seller looking where to set shop for your next sell trade. As always, I will leave you with some key dates where I'm expecting the market to show more action. So let's get it. Today is Saturday, 23rd July. Bitcoin is trading at 22,200 and descending, displaying a short-term retreat from 24,200 and ascending support towards the way down to the sub 20k area, while a descending trend line, previous resistance at 22,370 emerges as a weak support. A pullback at this line would encourage buyers back to the market, aiming to zip the Bitcoin price back to the 30k level. But traders anticipating such an ambush to 30k should have a contingency plan in place. This is because the 25,600, which was support on the 12th May, could flip polarity and lodge resistance at the mentioned price. A downward reaction and price deterioration from here would be taking is a similar scenario to the one on the 31st May, and Bitcoin could suffer more serious losses from this. On a more positive note, if the 25,600 breaks and then Bitcoin could continue to extend its recent recoveries, aiming as high as 37,500 in the short term. There is a simultaneous occurrence of an horizontal resistance, the beginning of the downward turn on the 4th May. I believe the event was caused by an inflation reading being released on that day, and the descending dynamic resistance from the all-time high in November 2021. As you can see, both lines carry a strong significance, and as such, I'm anticipating this intersection to be the next battleground between buyers and sellers. From a timing perspective, we see therefore the middle of August associated with the 37,500 price area. Around this date, we could see either Bitcoin trading around this area or the price changing its direction or momentum wherever it might be trading at that time. These support resistance intersections can hint at price reversals or breakouts and subsequent accelerations. As I mentioned on the recent BTC video, more shorts will probably hop back at this intersection, aiming to capitalize on new lows. So the magnitude and duration of this eventual reaction at the 37,500 will provide clues about the strength of Bitcoin moving forward. So if we see a strong magnitude in a short duration, this is a signal of sellers having the upper hand. Still, from a timing perspective, the bottom reaction we are witnessing recently fits into the end of June to beginning of August support intersection we mentioned in our last video based on the weekly charts. So a brief recap here. Watch for the imminent reaction to the descending support levels on my chart. A loss of this level could open the scope for the sub 20k trading again. Traders aiming to capitalize towards the 30k should have a contingency plan in place because of this interim resistance at 25,600. Should this 25,600 level break, then Bitcoin could continue to extend its recent recoveries, aiming as high as 37,500 from here to mid-August. So the next key day to watch for in the chart of Bitcoin is around the middle of August. That's all I have for you today. Have a good one, guys, and see you in the next video.